Math Gad.
Oh my God, everyone, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be learning about simple interest. So we're going to be understanding the concept of simple interest. We're going to be seeing some terms like the principal, the interest, or the amount you earn per year, and you're also going to be seeing the simple interest percentage and how you can actually calculate it. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be learning is actually the definition of simple interest. So the simple interest is the payment from a borrower or deposit taking financial institution to a lender or depositor of an amount above repayment of the principal sum. Right, guys? So in order to explain this in lighter terms, if you are someone, right, let's say you're a businesswoman, right, and you get money because of your job, and then there is a point where a bank contacts you and they tell you, oh, I want you to please deposit money on an account and I'll pay you forward, right? So small retributions for having the money with me. So the bank is going to pay you an amount per year, a fixed amount per year, which is going to be called the interest, right? And that interest is usually obtained from a percentage of interest that they give you, right? And now you are going to put money in the bank. The money that you put in the bank is going to be called the principal or the principal sum of money, right? So again, you get money, right? You have money, and then you put it in the bank, which is the principal, and then the bank offers you a percentage rate, and they pay you that percentage back. Now, guys, we're going to be taking a look at a problem remembering the percentage formula, which you can remember as being that the part or the interest is going to be equal to the percentage or the percentage interest multiplied by the whole. And the whole in this case is going to be the principal amount of money. If you want to see another problem of principal, you can check the card up there or the description below. So let's begin. So guys, today's problem says Selena Gomez deposited her paycheck of $30,000 per episode. Well, that's a lot of money. In the show Wizards of Weverly Place, don't know if you have seen it, in a savings account that gives her an interest of 1.5%. How much interest will she earn in 10 years? So guys, remember the part or the interest she's going to earn each year is going to be equal to the percentage or the percentage of interest, which in this case is 1.5%, multiplied by the whole. In this case, the whole is going to be the total amount of the principal money, which is the amount of money that she's going to put in the bank, which is $30,000. So the percentage is 1.5% multiplied by the whole, which is $30,000. And now we multiply. So 1.5%, we're multiplying that by $30,000. And remember, guys, whenever we have 1.5%, that is the same thing as saying 0.15 because we have to divide by 100. And then when we multiply, that is going to give us $450. So what that means, guys, is that she's going to get paid $450 per year, right? But the question they're asking us is how much interest will she earn in 10 years, right? So in order to know how much money she's going to get in 10 years, we have to multiply what she makes in 1 year by 10, right? So she makes $450 in 1 year. In 10 years, she's going to make 10 times that. So we multiply 450 times 10. And that is $4,500 in 10 years. And guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys understood. Feel free to rewatch the video or watch the video below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills. And make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!